Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, it's Super Simple Sunday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. And welcome to all of my new subscribers. And thank you so much to everyone who is supporting me and my channel in such a positive way. In a recent video, we made some stationery kits, and we made those kits as gifts or to sell to anyone who might feel as though they are paper craft challenged. But in doing that, we also created some large pieces of scrap. So today I am going to demo how we can take those scraps and turn them into usable gifts or sellable items at our craft fairs, Etsy stores, or other online venues. And here's what I'm talking about. There might be a glare on it right now because I do have my lights forward facing, but this is a bag of rosettes made from scraps, and these rosettes can be used to take the place of bows. I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at today's awesome project. We are going to make 4 large rosettes, and we're going to package those rosettes for sale. Now, I am going to go ahead and just take these out of my baggie so that you can see what we have here. And aren't these just awesome? This is what we're going to be making today, but I'm pretty sure that some of you recognize this paper as being the paper used on the envelopes in our stationery kits. So we ended up with quite a bit of 12 by 4 1/4 inch scrap. And so we're able to take that and use it on this project. So I have 4 beautiful rosettes. Rosettes can take the place of bows. Rosettes can be used as embellishments on our projects. They can be bag toppers, box toppers, however it is you want to use them. So I am going to go ahead and place these back in the baggie. And now you can see that we have a beautiful packaged gift if we wanted to give it, or we can place these out for sale at our craft fairs. And that is the new series that I'm kicking off. We are going to take scraps and turn them into items that can be gifted or sold at craft fairs. So this is idea number 1. I'm going to show you how we do it. So to make our project, I have 4 pieces of my scrap. This scrap measures 4 1/4 by 12. Then I have a piece for the topper. This measures 8 by 4 1/4. I have 4 embellishment pieces that'll go on the top of my rosettes. And then I have 8 1 by 1 squares that I'll use to sandwich the rosette. And then I have an 8 by 10 cellophane bag. So since our process is the same, I have already made 3 of the rosettes, and they're absolutely gorgeous. We are going to make that 4th rosette together. So I'm going to place my 4 1/4 by 12 inch piece in my scoreboard on the 12 inch side, and we score every 1/2 inch all the way across. So that is every 1/2 inch all the way across. So then we'll take this and we're going to trim it. So I am going to trim this right down the middle. So we trim at 2 1/8, and we should have 2 pieces that are fairly even. So in my package, I've already made 2 with this pattern facing up. So I'll make 1 more with this being the focal point of the rosette. So all I'm going to do is just take this and accordion fold where we made those 1/2 inch scores. And if you've never made a rosette before, please don't be intimidated by the process. It is very simple. So once I have it like this, I am just going to squeeze it nice and tight. And when you're looking at this, you can see on my ends, I have the end piece going down on both ends. So now I'll take this one and I'm going to have that end piece going down. And we have it here, And I am just going to squeeze this to get it nice and tight. So now that we have one piece going up and one piece going down, we just interlock them like that. I'll take my glue, place my glue on that piece, and we'll join these two. And then we'll do the same thing on that end. So I've placed my glue. We will get these two pieces joined. And so now we have this. What I like to do is I like to just take mine and go around as far as I can, getting it nice and tight. And that makes it easier for me to manage. And so we have it like this. And this is the part where I think most people have a problem with getting that rosette formed. But all you need to do is take it, push in on the middle, and push it down. Again, take it, push in on the middle, and push it down. And then squeeze it into shape, holding that shape like that. Then I am going to use my hot glue because that's the quickest way to get a good setting on your rosette. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use your wet glue. You're just going to need to hold that 1-inch square in place until it has a chance to set. And then we take our rosette, we flip it over. I'm going to bring in that second 1x1 square, and we are going to add some more glue to this side. I'll take this piece, put it on top, and we've basically sandwiched the rosette between those two 1x1 squares. And that's it. There's our rosette. So I am going to take this sticker, Anna Griffin, that says Make a Wish, peel away the sticker backing, add just a little hot glue there, and then I'll take this and put it down. Now you can build up the center of your rosette as much as you want. You can actually stack rosettes on top. I like to keep mine fairly simple. So then I'm going to take a piece of my foam tape, cut off a little piece, and I get this foam tape from the Dollar Tree, and I am going to put that foam tape right there on the back, so that when this is ready to be put on a gift, all we have to do is lift up and put it down. Or if we're putting it on a bag as the embellishment piece, just lift up and put it down. So now we have these 4 pieces, and here is how we can package these for sale. So I am just going to take my rosettes and put them in my plastic baggie like that. Then I'll peel away that adhesive backer, and I'm just going to fold over and squeeze out that air. So even if I didn't put a topper on this, this is already presentable for sale. But I am going to add a topper because I think that that just adds to the cuteness. So now I'll bring in my topper piece, and on the 4-inch side, I'm going to score at 1.5. And so now we'll take the topper and we're going to place it at the top of our bag like this. And the bottom of your bag has the fold over adhesive strip so that this can be opened without damaging the top. So to attach my topper, I don't like to use staples. So I am using my tape runner. If you want to use staples, that is completely up to you. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to place it down, trying to get it nice and straight. And then I'll fold that over. And there is my sweet little topper. On this one, I've added an embellishment to the top. On this one, I am just going to punch a hole right here in the center in case I wanted to hang this. So now I have my hole to hang it. Then on the back, I am going to take one of my little stickers and I am going to put it right there at the bottom. So it says, handcrafted by the Posh Paper Lady. So stinking cute. So that's how I'm branding this. And if I was doing a craft fair, I would be able to hang this from a hook or hang it from another display item that I might have brought to place it. But I'm not actually doing a craft fair, but I thought it would be a great idea to give you guys a way to turn those scraps into cash. And so there we have it, y'all. We now have another awesome way that we can take our scraps and make them work for us, whether they serve as a gift or we turn them into cash. No matter which one you choose to do, you have something beautiful to present. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed Super Simple Sunday. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.